Welcome, beautiful souls, to my channel, your sanctuary for mind, body, and soul enrichment. If you're seeking healing, insights, and a journey towards your best self, you are in the right place. I'm Ananya, and I can't wait to take you on this transformative adventure. At this channel, we believe in the power of understanding, healing, and cultivating inner peace. Our content is not just videos, it's a heaven for those navigating the twists and turns of the human experience. Hey there, fellow seekers. I am your guide through the realms of psychology, healing, meditation, and the incredible world of EFT tapping. Each video is a carefully crafted journey designed to bring you wisdom, peace, and tools to thrive in every aspect of your life. We are not just a channel, we are a community that shares, learns, and grows together. And guess what? We want you to be a part of it. Subscribe now, and here's why. Every video is a stepping stone on your path to self discovery, from guided meditations to in depth exploration of the mind. We're here to inspire and support your journey towards a balanced and fulfilling life. So, what can you expect? Engaging practical tips for mental well being, guided meditations that support you to the realm of tranquility, EFT meditations, tapping, tapping along videos, psychotherapy, and so much more. So thank you for considering to subscribing my channel and go to the source for nurturing your mind, body and spirit. Subscribe, hit the notification bell and embark on this beautiful journey with us. Together, let's unlock the full potential of your well being. So, whether you are here for meditation, healing, or insights into the fascinating world of psychology, we have got something special for you. So, subscribe now and let's explore the depths of consciousness together. Bye bye.